When embarking on the journey of creating unique wood projects that can be crafted at home for profit, several essential considerations come into play. First and foremost is the selection of materials. Choosing the right type of wood can significantly influence the project's final appearance and durability. Different woods have distinct characteristics. For instance, hardwoods like oak, maple, and walnut are known for their strength and beautiful grain patterns, which can elevate the aesthetic of any project. In contrast, softer woods like pine or cedar are often more affordable and easier to work with, making them excellent options for beginners. Understanding the properties of various woods, including their workability, grain patterns, and resistance to wear, can guide artisans in selecting the most suitable material for their creations. Additionally, assessing the tools and equipment available is crucial. A well-equipped workspace allows artisans to execute their ideas efficiently and effectively. Basic tools such as saws, drills, and sanders are essential for most woodworking projects, while more advanced tools like routers and lathes can enable the creation of intricate designs and shapes. Beginners should consider starting with simpler projects that require fewer tools, gradually progressing to more complex designs as their skills and tool collections expand. Ensuring safety measures are in place is vital, as woodworking can involve risks. Wearing protective gear and having a clear understanding of how to use tools properly will create a safer working environment. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of unique wood projects ideas you can craft at home for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, considering the target market is an essential step in crafting wood projects for profit. Understanding who will buy the finished products can help guide the design and style choices. For instance, if the target audience consists of young families, practical items such as toy boxes or sturdy furniture may be more appealing. Conversely, if targeting a more artistic clientele, unique decorative pieces or custom furniture with artistic flair might be a better fit. Conducting market research to identify trends and preferences within the target demographic can provide valuable insights, allowing artisans to tailor their projects to meet consumer demands. It's also beneficial to explore local markets, craft fairs, and online platforms to gauge what types of wooden items are popular and well-received. Design and functionality are equally significant considerations in creating unique wood projects. A project should not only be visually appealing, but also practical and functional. For example, a beautifully crafted wooden shelf may attract attention, but if it does not serve a practical purpose or fails to meet the needs of potential buyers, it may not sell. Balancing aesthetics with usability is key. Items like cutting boards, furniture, and storage solutions can provide both beauty and function. Additionally, innovative designs that offer unique solutions or enhance everyday tasks can set a project apart in a competitive market. Craftsmanship and attention to detail cannot be overlooked when aiming for profitable wooden projects. High-quality finishes, precise measurements, and clean lines are indicators of good craftsmanship that can significantly influence a product's perceived value. Spending time on sanding, finishing, and ensuring that joints are tight will result in a polished final product that buyers are willing to invest in. Moreover, incorporating unique design elements, such as custom carvings or mixed materials, can further differentiate a project and attract attention. Consumers often appreciate handmade items that exhibit a high level of artistry and skill, so investing time in honing these aspects of craftsmanship can lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Marketing and branding play a pivotal role in successfully selling wooden projects. Establishing a recognizable brand can help artisans stand out in a crowded market. This involves creating a cohesive look and feel for products, including consistent packaging and labeling that reflects the brand's identity. Utilizing social media platforms and e-commerce websites can significantly expand an artisan's reach, allowing them to showcase their work to a wider audience. High-quality photographs that capture the beauty and details of each piece are essential for attracting potential buyers online. Engaging storytelling about the creation process or the inspiration behind a project can also create an emotional connection with customers, encouraging them to support the artisan's work. Pricing strategies are vital for ensuring profitability while remaining competitive. Artisans should consider the cost of materials, tools, and time invested in each project when determining prices. It's important to strike a balance between affordability for customers and fair compensation for the artisan's labor and craftsmanship. Researching similar products in the market can provide insights into pricing trends, helping artisans position their offerings appropriately. Additionally, being open to feedback and willing to adjust pricing based on demand can help maximize sales. Sustainability and eco-friendliness are increasingly important considerations for consumers today. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many buyers are seeking out products made from sustainably sourced materials or reclaimed wood. Incorporating these elements into wooden projects can not only appeal to a broader market, but also align with a growing trend toward responsible consumption. Artisans can explore using non-toxic finishes and adhesives to further enhance the sustainability of their products. Creating items that buyers can feel good about purchasing. Networking with other artisans and joining woodworking communities can also provide valuable support and inspiration. Engaging with fellow woodworkers can lead to collaborative opportunities, sharing of techniques, and insights into best practices for running a woodworking business. Online forums, local woodworking clubs, and social media groups can serve as platforms for exchanging ideas, troubleshooting challenges, and celebrating successes. Building connections within the woodworking community can foster a sense of camaraderie and encourage ongoing learning, ultimately enhancing the quality of the projects being produced. Finally, the importance of passion and enjoyment in the woodworking process cannot be overstated. When artisans are excited about their projects, it often translates into higher quality work and more innovative designs. Embracing the creative journey, experimenting with new techniques, and allowing for personal expression can lead to unique project ideas that resonate more deeply with consumers. The satisfaction derived from crafting beautiful, functional wooden items can be a powerful motivator, driving artisans to continually improve their skills and explore new horizons in woodworking. In creating unique wood projects at home for profit involves a careful consideration of various factors, including material selection, tool availability, target market analysis, design and functionality, craftsmanship, marketing strategies, pricing, sustainability, networking, and the passion for woodworking itself. By thoughtfully addressing these elements, artisans can develop innovative and appealing products that resonate with consumers, ensuring both artistic fulfillment and financial success. The journey of crafting wooden items is not just about the end product, but also about the experiences, learning, and connections made along the way. Embracing this process can lead to the creation of truly unique pieces that reflect the artisan's vision and skill, ultimately carving a niche in the market for profitable woodworking endeavors. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for unique wood projects ideas you can craft at home for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.